The Nissan 4.0 VQ40DE is one of those engines that helped define an era of rugged mid-sized trucks and SUVs. Built primarily for the North American market, this naturally aspirated V6-powered vehicles like the Frontier, Xterra, and Pathfinder, machines known for their durability, simplicity, and off-road capability. Yet, behind the engine's reputation for long life and respectable performance lies a set of design traits, strengths, and pitfalls that every potential owner or used car buyer should know. In this breakdown, we'll explore the key engineering features, specifications, common problems, and the long-term reliability of the VQ40DE, giving you a complete understanding of what this engine really offers. The VQ40DE debuted in 2004 as a larger, stroked evolution of the popular 3.5 VQ35DE. Built at Nissan's Decherd powertrain plant in Tennessee, the engine features the familiar VQ series foundations, an aluminum block, dual overhead cam heads, Nissan's variable valve timing system, and a robust port injection setup. Depending on the model year and vehicle, the engine produces 261 to 276 horsepower and 280 to 294 pound-feet of torque, giving mid-sized trucks enough grunt for towing, hauling, and off-road work. Nissan continued to use the VQ40DE until 2024, after which the more modern VQ38DD direct-injected engine took its place in the Frontier. At the core of the VQ40DE is an aluminum open-deck engine block reinforced with cast-iron cylinder liners. It uses a forged crankshaft and forged connecting rods, paired with lightweight moly-coated pistons, components that enhance durability under heavy load. Compared to the VQ35DE, the VQ40DE has taller deck height to accommodate its longer 92mm stroke. The aluminum DOHC cylinder heads contain 4 valves per cylinder, and the valve train requires periodic valve clearance adjustment, typically around every 60,000 miles. The engine uses a 3-chain timing system, 1 main chain and 2 small cam chains. Nissan CVVTCS controls intake camshaft timing, improving torque and efficiency. The intake system is a 2-part design with an aluminum lower manifold and a plastic upper manifold that can alter runner length. A 2013 redesign added electronically controlled valves in the intake plenum to improve combustion. Fuel delivery is handled by a conventional port injection system, and ignition uses coil-on-plug coils with long-life platinum spark plugs. Select 2017-2018 Frontier models equipped with this V6 are flex fuel capable, allowing use of E85. Despite its reputation for durability, the VQ40DE has several recurring issues owners frequently report. Understanding these problems helps prevent major failures and makes it easier to judge the condition of a used vehicle. One of the most notorious issues affects primarily 2007-2012 models. The timing chain tensioner can wear prematurely, creating a distinct rattling noise, especially on cold starts. If ignored, chain slack can lead to timing misalignment and, in extreme cases, engine damage. Although not every engine is affected, it's one of the most important things to check before buying. Some VQ40DE engines develop elevated oil consumption. Causes vary, but the most common include worn piston rings, aging valve stem seals, and scratches in cylinder walls. A failing catalytic converter can release ceramic dust back into the cylinders, accelerating wear and increasing oil use. Consistent monitoring of oil levels is crucial. 2 common leak points are the valve cover gaskets and spark plug tube seals. With age, the rubber hardens and fails, allowing oil to seep into spark plug wells, causing misfires. Nissan's CVVTCS system is sensitive to oil quality. Sludge buildup from poor maintenance can lead to sticking VVT solenoids or malfunctioning actuators. Symptoms include rough idle, hesitation, and fault codes related to cam timing. The cooling system is adequate, but not overly robust. Failures in the fan clutch, clogged radiators, or low coolant levels can cause overheating more easily than in some competing engines. Overheating a VQ40DE can warp the heads or damage head gaskets, making cooling system health essential. Overall, the VQ40DE is considered a strong and trustworthy engine. It offers a good balance of simplicity, mechanical strength, and usable daily power. When maintained, this engine can easily surpass 350,000 miles. The Nissan 4.0 VQ40DE is far from perfect, but its strengths outweigh its weaknesses. For buyers looking at used trucks or SUVs, a well-maintained VQ40DE powered vehicle can be one of the most dependable choices in its class.